Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll address a common concern among Android smartphone users, disabling the glance lock screen in 2023. If you prefer more control over your lock screen experience, we'll show you how to disable it specifically on Android devices. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful content. Let's get started with the steps to disable the glance lock screen on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down until you find the Always on Display and Lock Screen option. This may be different with yours depending on your device's settings layout. Tap on it to proceed. In the Always on Display and Lock Screen settings, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper Carousel option. Tap on it to open the menu. Within this menu, you should see an option to turn off this glance wallpaper carousel. To do this, simply tap on toggle of this button. And that's it. Now you know how to disable the glance lock screen on your Android device. By disabling this feature, you gain more control over your lock screen experience. Remember to consider your needs before making this change. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other Android users. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.